Good morning, everybody. How are you? I'm going to be making a caramel frappuccino today, and these are so good. So our Herbalife products also have coffee, and not a lot of people use our coffee, which amazes me because I love it. So you'll need a blender, and since it's not an iced coffee, it's a frappuccino. So you're gonna need ice, and since you're making it a frappuccino, you're gonna need protein powder and vanilla. Well, not vanilla, Formula One. But I use our vanilla ones. If I was going to be making like a mocha frappuccino or something like that, I would be using our chocolate ones. So I have our Herbalife coffee in a little container because I use it a lot all the time, and this just says coffee on it. So then you do 2 scoops of that. And I need to order more. Okay, I didn't add ice, so we're gonna add ice really quick. So I added our ice, now we're gonna add caramel. I added salted caramel, and I'm gonna add classic caramel. Just a little bit of each. Alright, I just want to pop in really quick and tell you guys about our 21-day challenge. Okay, so it's a weight loss challenge. It's going to be so good for you. It's so competitive. It's going to help you challenge yourself, help you manage your weight, help you lose your pounds using our products. But using our products is not going to be the only thing that's going to help you lose weight. You're also going to be following recipes for your meals. You'll be following our drink recipes. You'll be following our workouts. You'll be making your own workouts if you want to. This will help better your mind and your body. There's just a small entry fee, but whoever wins gets all the entry fee money as the jackpot. There's tons of other prizes. You can win lift off. You can win shake mixes, you can win pins, you can win a tumbler. There are so many things. I will personally go through with you and work with you and figure out what meal program and what programs / plans will work with you. There's ABCD programs. It goes off your height and your weight, and we will figure out what program works best for you. We can sit down and schedule a wellness profile, go over it on Zoom, go over it in person, wherever you are, whatever you want to do. Anyone can join this challenge. So we do them every month. But for this month, the deadline is until August 31st. So if you would want to sign up for that, please let me know, and I will sign you up. I can't wait to help you reach your goals. Back to regular scheduled programming. Let's keep doing it. I just lost the lid to that. Okay. So then you're going to take, I'm going to do vanilla for each because it's going to taste better. So you're going to do 2 of your protein powder because she ordered a big one. And then we're just going to do 1 of our French vanilla. And then I'm going to add some cheesecake flavoring. And mine didn't come with a scoop. And that's how you make it. Good morning. I'm trying to do the 2 shakes a day challenge, which here's my first one today. It's Fruity Pebbles and it's just so good. Highly recommend for you to try this. If you need the recipe, message me and I'll get you it. So the 2 shakes a day challenge is pretty much you do 2 shakes a day and still snacks in between. If you want to have your tea, you can have your tea. But it helps you lose weight. Supposedly it'll help you lose like maybe a couple inches, so that's awesome. So we're trying to do that. If you need help and tips, message me. Hi guys, so if you want to become a customer or become a preferred member and get an even higher discount, or even if you want to become a distributor, you can go to myherbalife.com. If you want to just purchase as a customer, you can go to my link down below and use my website. If you want to become a preferred member, you would go to myherbalife.com, apply online, and then once you make your account, you can go to preferred member, and then you'll type in my membership ID and the first 3 digits of my last name. And if you have any questions or anything like that, go ahead and feel free to follow my social medias below and message me, and I will help you along on this journey. If you want to fill out a wellness profile, there are links down below in the description box. And it's about wellness profiles. It has an order form if you want to order products, I think. And it has my website down below. Be sure to check it out.